I'm just imagining an association where
the journey to birth a new Nigeria of our collective dream is not for the faint-hearted. It is a marathon for the resilient, the visionary, and the brave. Today, we take a decisive step forward by strengthening our structural capacity to navigate the turbulent political waters ahead. It is my distinct honor to formally inaugurate the strategic engines of our movement, the organs that will drive our political engagement, policy formulation, and grassroots mobilization as we approach the critical months ahead. By the powers vested in this leadership, I hereby inaugurate the following strategic bodies. The National Political Engagement Committee. Your mandate is clear: navigate the political terrain and secure our seat at the table of power. 2, the Nationwide Reliability Network Committee. You are the backbone of our integrity, ensuring our structures are solid and dependable. 3, the National Policy and Intellectual Engagement Committee. You are the think tank. Ideas rule the world, and you will craft the blueprint for the governance we promise. 4, the National Conference Organizing Committee. You are charged with bringing our vision to the national stage. Furthermore, recognizing that people are the currency of politics, we inaugurate our National Mobilization Directorate as follows: the National Women Mobilization Committee, the National Youth Mobilization Committee, the National Student Mobilization Committee, the National PWD, Persons with Disabilities Mobilization Committee. Fellow compatriots, we must speak the unvarnished truth about our political reality. We have fulfilled every constitutional requirement and met every statutory obligation for registration as a political party. Yet, we sit here today facing an inexplicable delay from the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC. Let us be clear, this is not a procedural failure. This is a tactical retreat by a terrified establishment. The old order has been our data. The old order has seen our data. They have seen the faces of 43 million Nigerians rising as one. They have looked at our map and realized that there is no corner for this federation where Team New Nigeria does not breathe. They block our name because they fear our numbers. They believe that by withholding a certificate, they can stop a revolution. They are mistaken. A political party is not a piece of paper in an Abuja office. A political party is the collective heartbeat of the people. If they think they can trap us in a bureaucratic graveyard, they do not know the spirit of the TNN. We will not wait for their permission to lead. If they deny us a name, we will use another. We will march under any banner that serves our purpose, but we will march with the same mission, the same muzzle, and the same unstoppable force. Whether we arrive on the ballot as a registered political party or as the soul of a formidable coalition, the result will be the same. The 43 million will be heard. Our members are the only mandate we need. we are not just moving, we are taking over. In response to this delay, we have refused to be idle spectators. We have strategically activated high-level machineries to form a formidable coalition with existing political parties. Our National Political Engagement Committee is already in advanced talks to ensure that the TNN vehicle has a clear highway to the ballot. We are not seeking a merger of convenience, but a coalition of purpose. Let us be crystal clear to the political class that Team New Nigeria is ready to work with any political platform that respects our vision, honors our values, and is willing to rebuild this nation based on equity, justice, and competence. We are open to partnership, but we will never compromise on our principles. But why do we speak with such confidence? Because we have the numbers. TNN is not a paper tiger. We are a movement of over 43 million registered members spread across every single one of the 774 local government areas and the 8,809 electoral wards of this federation. We are the largest organized political demographic in Nigeria today. Any party that partners with us inherits a grassroots army ready to deploy. We bring to the table not just a logo, but the voting strength of millions of Nigerians who are tired of the status quo and hungry for change. As of January 2026, the verified strength of the Team New Nigeria movement is 43 million plus 774 and 8809. A pivotal movement in our journey arrives on 8 April 2026 as we convene the TNN National Ratification Conference. The theme of the conference is Unite and Rebuild the Nation, a path to a greater Nigeria. This will not be a mere meeting. It will be a demonstration of sovereignty. We expect a massive gathering of 2 million members, including 9,985 statutory delegates. We are inviting every national executive, every state executive, every local government area chairman, and every ward leader from all 8,809 wards. Let the establishment watch closely while they hide behind legal technicalities. We will fill the streets and the halls with the reality of the new Nigeria. We are ratifying our destiny with or without their stamp of approval. To the men and women inaugurated today, you are not just committee members, you are the generals of the infiltration. To the Political Engagement Committee, your mission is tactical entry. If the front door is locked by bureaucracy, find the side doors of coalition. Secure the platforms, but occupy them with our ideology. To the Mobilization Directorate, your charge is to weaponize our 43 million members, turn every registration card into a vow of defiance. Ensure that when the same force moves, the ground shakes in every word. To the policy and intellectual team, guard the vision. We may change the name on the ballot to bypass their traps, but the blueprint for a new Nigeria remains non-negotiable. Go forth. The establishment thinks they have stalled us. They have only succeeded in making us more dangerous. They feared our name. Now let them fear our resolve. Team New Nigeria is here. We are united. We are numerable and we are unstoppable. Long live the Team New Nigeria and long live the Federation of Nigeria. Thank you.
Movement. We are in a position to
Start.
okay. In political parties, rather than 21 political parties. I wish I would the English version. Yes.
Anybody that wants to sit, they're still seated.
They are many seats here. We don't need to be compressed here.
Oh,